You have, oh, you have the 555 on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's in here.
And it's in
there.
And so you wanted to be in there too?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys, I'm back. We're gonna do it one more time. So now, instead of soy 6, I'm on soy 7. But this is not about nightlife, having fun. As y'all see, this is the daytime. And what I'm doing today is we're gonna commemorate 82nd Airborne. And how are we gonna do 82nd Airborne, commemorate the 82nd Airborne? Well, check out what I got for you guys. We get ready to do this. I am here at the spot. Let me show you what I got going on. Tell me what you think, guys. So there it is. We at the tattoo spot, machine and bamboo, right? So my man Ian is in there already getting his tattoo, getting ready. I'm gonna do this a little different for y'all as I stand outside. They got all the tattoos out here and everything. We're gonna be doing a touch-up of the 82nd Airborne tattoo. Gonna show y'all the before and after. Let's go and get on inside here. All right. Here we go, guys. So let's focus on this arm. My man is getting set up, but we're not gonna focus on the tattoo the whole day. And from what we got here, you said this is what? This is the what is it? What is it? The triple nickel airborne patch. Paratrooper patch.
The triple nickel is the black ones. The black airborne.
Say again?
Black airborne.
Okay, so triple nickel is black airborne. There we go. This is what it is, guys. Oh, okay, with the panther inside.
You got a good picture of me, huh?
Yeah. So Mr. Ian is getting done the 82nd triple nickel tattoo. As y'all see, he got the 3 5s with the panther inside. And Snapple fun fact, this guy has had this tattoo since he was in his 20s. He got this done on his 69th birthday. He's restoring the tattoo. So this is actually a big thing for him because he have had this tattoo for over 50 years of his life. So this is a big part of his history, who he is, where he come from. He's Army all the way, guys. So if you guys are wondering, to restore his tattoo, this cost him 3,000 baht, which came out roughly to about $90 to restore everything in detail. Yeah, so he paid only $90 after 50 years, and now it's looking good and clean again. He is on his way.
All right, buddy. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. As always, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Hey, Nomad Travels, travel with us. Why don't you come get a tattoo with us, guys? Maybe I'll get me one in the future. Until we meet again, Nomad is out, guys.